So students, we discuss the reproduction in the bacterial cell. The sexual recombination, where we can say the genetic recombination present in the bacterial cell because sexual reproduction is absent, and the process of the three types. You can say genetic recombination is three types. Generally, first one is the transformation, that process proposed by the Griffith. Second, the transduction, and third one is the conjugation. So we discuss the third one is conjugation. We discussed earlier two processes, the transduction, transformation and transduction. Clear? At the conjugation, the process of the conjugation is discovered by the Lederberg and Tatum. These are two scientists, very important scientists, the Lederberg and Tatum. Lederberg discovered the plasmid. Extra chromosomal body are discovered by the plasmid, Lederberg, and they are discovered the conjugation process in E. coli, Escherichia coli bacteria. Clear? Then second point, the detailed study of the conjugation discovered by the carried out by the Wollman and Jacob. Both questions in medical exam, who discovered the conjugation process and who explained the conjugation process in the E. coli. In E. coli, clear? So first one is the Lederberg and Tatum discovered and explained by the Wollman and Jacob. Clear? The conjugation process is three types. In different type of process is given, and we have discussed the three types of the conjugation process. The firstly given by the this process given by the Lederberg, Tatum and Wollman and Jacob. But after that, some scientists are discovered in different type of the conjugation. There are type of the conjugation. So we discussed the three type of the conjugations here. First we discuss the A plus F minus conjugation. First one is the A plus F minus conjugation. A plus F minus conjugation, it means these are depend on the cell type. In this type of the conjugation, two type bacterial cells are required, and one is the F plus and second is the F minus. So we can say in this type of the conjugation, two types of the bacterial cell are required, A plus and F minus. A plus cell is known as the male cell or donor cell. A plus cell is known as the male cell or donor cell, and it contains the sex plea or fertility factor. Those contain the fertility factor, or we can say plasmid. We discuss the type of the plasmid, A plus, R, col. Those contain the fertility factor as a plasmid inside the bacterial cell are known as the A plus cell. These are known as the donor cell, male cell. Clear? And A plus cell contain the sex plea. A plus cell contain the sex plea, and sex plea are work as a conjugation tube after the fusion. Then A plus cell contain the sex plea. The sex plea is the formation of the conjugation by the sex plea. Second cell is the F minus cell. Second cell is F minus cell. The fertility factor is absent. It means the fertility factor is absent means the plasmid are absent. Fertility plasmid are absent in the cell. It is known as the female or recipient. It is known as the female or recipient. Clear? And the sex plea are absent in the F minus cells. We are clearly known that what is the F plus F minus? A cell contain the sex plea and the fertility factor known as the F plus cell. A cell, bacterial cell not contain the sex plea and fertility factor is known as the F minus cells. Clear? Generally F cells, positive cells are very low in amount in a particular area, but in quantity, but in the F minus is higher in amount. So in this process, the F plus join with the F minus and F minus converted to the F plus. Clear? That is the process. I described in your module, but and we explain this process with the help of the diagram. Clear? It is a process. This one is the A plus cell. This one is the A plus cell. Or in this cell, three main things are present: genophore, plasmid, and sex plea. This is the F plus cell. Why this is F plus? Because it contains the fertility factor, F factor, plasmid, and the sex plea. So it is known as the F plus cell, male cell or donor cell. Second is the F minus cell. Why it is minus cell? Because their sex plea is absent and plasmid F factor is absent. So we had discussed directly distinguish the two cell, which is the F plus or the F minus. And we distinguish that this cell is the F plus and this cell is the F minus. Clear? And conjugation occur between the F plus F minus, so it is known as the F plus F minus conjugation. Clear? Firstly, then the F plus cell join with the F minus cell with the help of Sachs-Pillay. The Sachs-Pillay is join the F minus cell and make a conjugation tube. F plus F minus both are joined together with the help of Sachs-Pillay, and then Sachs-Pillay is known as the conjugation tube. A tube is formed and the structure like this, H-like structure, and that time the F plus cell F factor is replicate. It means F factor replicate. It means F factor make a copy with the help of replication. It makes a new copy and the copy is formed here. So in here is starting single F factor present, but at time the replication start two F factor present. Clear? And after the formation of the new F factor plasmid, it is moved toward the F minus. Here in third diagram, the one is present inside the cell and another is moved toward the F minus cell. It is a positive cell with minus cell is conjugation tube. It is a conjugation tube, and the movement of the one plasmid F factor with the help of the conjugation tube in F minus. We can say transfer of the plasmid by the conjugation tube from F plus to F minus. Clear? And after that, when it is complete, insert into the F minus, then it contains a plasmid. So here F plus, not F minus. Here F plus, F plus. We can say after the conjugation, the F minus cell, after the conjugation, the F minus cell comes into the F plus cell. After the conjugation, the F minus cell comes into F plus cell. Clear? It is both are male. Before that, male and female, but here both are male because the F plus cell provide a plasmid F minus cell. So F minus cell comes into F plus cell, and this cell contains the F factor. Both are the F plus cell. That is known as the conjugation. Without gamete formation, a cell transfer the genetic material to another cell. That is known as the conjugation, and this is simple time conjugation. So it is known as the F plus F minus conjugation. Clear? Okay. Thus friends, today we discuss the next topic, that is the conjugation between the HFR F minus. In previous lecture we discussed that the conjugation is sexual combination, it will be three types, genetic combination with three types, that is the transformation, transduction and conjugation. In conjugation, again the three type conditions of the genome transfer. The first one is the F plus F minus conjugation. It is the simple type conjugation. Then second one is the conjugation between the HFR and F minus. Here we can say the HFR F minus conjugation. So what is the meaning of the HFR? What is the difference between the F plus and HFR conjugation? So in HFR means high frequency or super male. What is the meaning of HFR? HF means high frequency cell, yeah, we can say super cell, yeah, super male of bacterial cell. F minus known as the male. Clear? So sometimes what happen? Sometimes the F factor are joined with the xenophore of bacterial cell is known as the super male or HFR. Again repeat. Sometimes the F factor is attached, incorporated with the xenophore, that is known as the HFR male, or we can say super male, or clear. So according to this diagram we discussed earlier, this diagram is a cell wall and cell membrane, and this is the xenophore. It is known as the xenophore, and this one is known as the plasmid. So this cell is known as the F plus, but in this cell the plasmid attached with the xenophore. So the plasmid attached with the xenophore. Plasmid means F factor. It is known as the F factor is attached with the xenophore. So that is known as the HFR. So this cell is known as the F plus cell, and the plasmid is separate. F factor is separate from the xenophore, and this cell is known as the HFR, when the F factor is joined with the incorporated with the xenophore. Clear? What is the difference between the F plus and HFR minus? What is the difference between the HFR and F plus cell? Okay, and both HFR and F plus are conjugate with the F minus. F minus is same type, is no changes. The HFR नाम जो था यहाँ पर, HFR name is proposed by, was given by the Cavalli scientist. A question from the exam. Both are questions. HFR, what is the HFR? Second is the HFR term proposed by the Cavalli, the scientist that proposed the term HFR. Clear? What happen in HFR? The conjugation process is similar to the first type, F plus F minus type. Same type of conjugation here, but there are three very important terms in this process: exogenous, endogenous, or merozygote. These three terms are very important for the HFR F minus conjugation. Clear? The first of all, HFR attached to the F minus cell. First thing, same. It is similar to attachment the F plus F minus cell. Second, the formation of the conjugation tube. When they are joined together, it is HFR and F minus, they are joined together with the help of the conjugation tube. HFR contains the successfully, and then successfully attached with the F minus and make a conjugation tube. The xenophore replicate and F plus also replicate. It means in the F plus, only plasmid F factor is replicate, but inside the HFR both xenophore and plasmid F factor also replicate. Difference clear है? In F plus only F factor or plasmid replicate, xenophore not replicate, but in HFR both xenophore and F factor both are replicate. Clear? Xenophore replicate and with the xenophore the replicate and the plasmid, the F factor also replicate with the xenophore. The replica of the xenophore and F factor move to F minus cell from the linear form. Clear? After replication, the movement of the F minus cell, for the F minus cell. After the replication, the movement of the xenophore and F factor are moved toward the F minus cell with the help of conjugation tube. Clear? So after that क्या होगा? After that, the only a part of xenophore can be transferred. Complete xenophore is not transferred. Only a part of the xenophore is transferred inside the F minus cell due to a silent disturbance in the nature lead to the separation of the conjugating bacteria. Nature में these bacteria are not a silent feature, generally move नहीं होगा. Due to some activities, their reactions, their activities, the only few part of the xenophore are moved inside the F minus cell. So a part of the HFR cell xenophore are enter into the into the F minus L is known as the exogenode. Exo means outside, outside to inside, जो बाहर से अंदर गया वो क्या कहलाएगा? एक्सोजेनोट. ठीक है. HFR से जो जीनोफोर का पार्ट है कहाँ एंटर हो रहा है? दैट पार्ट एंटर इनटू द F minus L, that known as the exogenode. और वही पार्ट कहाँ है? कहाँ पे होगा? F minus में भी होगा. सेम पार्ट, सेम जीन प्रेजेंट F minus उसमें भी होगा. सो द इंटरनल पार्ट or F minus part of the xenophore is known as the homologous part of the xenophore is known as the endogenode. So there are two terms, exogenode and endogenode. So first we discuss DNA segment. DNA segment of the HFR cell now attached with the homologous segment of the F minus xenophore. Attached with the F minus xenophore homologous part. Clear? That is known as the process, and due to the joining of this part, these are known as partial zygote, a false zygote, like this. The transfer part DNA of the HFR cell is endogenode. It is the exogenode, and second part is the endogenode. Second part is known as the endogenode. Homologous part of the F minus called the endogenode. Clear? So exogenode plus endogenode. Due to the attachment of the exogenode and endogenode, the partial zygote is formed. A partial zygote is formed. Partial zygote is also known as the false zygote. Is known as the false zygote, and it is also called a merozygote. Partial zygote is known as the merozygote because it is not a complete zygote, it is a partial zygote, so it is known as the merozygote, and it is also called the partial diploid, merozygote or partial diploid, because it is xenophore not diploid. A few parts of the xenophore are moved inside the F minus cell, so few part is diploid, it is known as the partial diploid. So in medical exam the question is the merozygote is haploid, diploid, partial diploid, partial haploid. These are the options. What is the answer? The partial diploid. Clear? So we explain here this diagram, the process by the diagram. There are two cells. This one is the HFR cell and F minus cell. HFR cell because the plasmid are attached with the factor attached with the xenophore, that is the F minus cell. Second, the formation of the conjugation tube. Attachment हो गया, formation of the conjugation tube. And that time the replication of the xenophore. Replication of xenophore is a single copy, is a double copy. Replication start and replication of the xenophore and F factor. After that, the transfer of the genetic material. The one copy of this xenophore with plasmid are moved inside the F minus cell with the help of the conjugation tube. Next is after transfer, it is like this. It is joined like this. That is known as the merozygote. So this part is known as the and the homologous part. This part present here in green color. That is known as the endogenode. It is known as the endogenode. क्लियर? तो जो पार्ट यहाँ से ट्रांसफर हो रहा है वो पार्ट यहाँ भी प्रेजेंट है ऑलरेडी. समझना आप. मान लीजिए ये मेरे पास दोनों का xenophore सेम है, यहाँ पे xenophore का जो पार्ट है वो पार्ट इसमें भी प्रेजेंट है माइनस में भी, और वही पार्ट यहाँ से आ रहा है, तो क्या हो गया? डबल हो गया. पेयर, होमोलोगस पेयर आर प्रेजेंट. That part रेप्लिकेटिव पार्ट था जीनोफोर का, ये पार्ट इसमें भी तो है ना F माइनस में, तो F प्लस का जो पार्ट है वो F माइनस में जो आया, HFR का जो पार्ट F माइनस में आया वो उसका उस पार्ट पे अटैच हो गया, दैट पार्ट, इट मीन ये जो इतना सा पार्ट है जीनोफोर का, दैट पार्ट इज नोन एज द partial zygote, not complete, that part is known as the partial zygote, and this cell is known as the recombinant cell because they are joined to adjunctive DNA, so it is known as the recombinant cell. Clear? So this type of the conjugation is known as the HFR F minus conjugation. Clear? Conjugation process same, but the main difference is first the plasmid attach with the this condition genophore, and a term is changed, episome, it is known as the episome, a term is utilized here that known as the episome. HFR attached with the F minus cell and the plasmid, here mention here the F factor, F plasmid is known as episome, is known as the episome. It is the episome, not F factor, it is known as the episome, and this is the process. There are 4 terms, very important terms, 4 to 5 terms are very important. First, HFR, second, episome, third, exogynote, fourth, endogynote, and last one is the merozygote. These 5 terms are present in HFR F minus conjugation. Clear? Please note down. The students, next one is the third point of the conjugation, that the Sachs duction. It is known as the Sachs duction. Generally in your book, in the 12th level book, 2 type of the condition are present, F plus F minus, HFR F minus. But another type of the conjugation present, that known as the Sachs duction. Clear? And Sachs duction proposed by the Jacob and Monod. This is proposed by the Jacob Monod. It is the modified type of the HFR conjugation, modified type of the conjugation. In this type of the conjugation, we can say the episome are separate from the xenophore. Episome are separate from the xenophore, but this episome contains some part of the xenophore. Clear? That is known as the Sachs duction. Clear? Next we start the economic importance of the bacteria. Economic importance of the eubacteria. Generally eubacteria we discuss the economic importance of eubacteria. So on the basis of their economic importance, the bacteria are 2 types. They may be harmful, they may be useful. Maximum bacteria are the harmful, they cause a disease in different type of the organism, but few of the bacteria are useful. So we discuss both type of the properties of the bacteria, the harmful bacteria and useful bacteria. The first we discuss the harmful bacteria, and first in this the main thing that the causes of disease. We can say the disease causing bacteria. So in the economic importance, the first one is the harmful bacteria. In harmful bacteria we discuss the disease causing bacteria. Clear? And disease is caused by bacteria in plants, in animals and in human beings. So we are separately divided here. Disease caused by the human being, disease caused by bacteria in human being, disease caused by bacteria in plants and animals. Clear? So we discuss one by one. The first one is discuss the disease causing bacteria. First disease, the human disease. It means those bacteria cause a disease on human being are known as the human being disease causing bacteria, and these bacteria are different type. Several diseases, you know very well, the several diseases are caused by bacteria. and we are summary. The main diseases are present in the bacterial disease in human being. We have summarized a code word. That code word is known as the TQ. This is a trick. TQPCLDP. TQPCLDP. It is a code word, and by this code word we are utilize, we are recognize, we identify the disease. These are the common disease in human being, and for the medical exam these diseases are included in your syllabus. First one is TQ. It means 3 times of the T, then P, then C, L, D and P. Clear? TQ, tetanus, typhoid, tuberculosis. TQ, tetanus, T for tetanus, T for typhoid, T for tuberculosis. P, pneumonia, pneumonia disease. C, cholera, जिसे हम हैजा भी कहते हैं, cholera disease. L, leprosy, leprosy, कुबड़ रोग जो होता है. D, diphtheria, and last P is the plague. These are the disease. Clear? So first one is the tetanus, T, second T, third T. We are TQ. It means T, T and T, then P, C, L, D and P. These are term. So ये क्या हो गया? T, Q, P, C, L, D, P, C. P, C, L, D, P. Clear? Tetanus, tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia, cholera, leprosy, diphtheria and plague. Tetanus is caused by the Clostridium tetani. Tetanus caused by the bacterial name is Clostridium tetani. Tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Typhoid, Salmonella typhi. Pneumonia, Diplococcus pneumoniae, Griffith experiment, you know very well. Cholera, Vibrio cholerae. Leprosy, Mycobacterium leprae. Robert Koch exception. It is a Koch mosquito exception, obligate parasite. Then as diphtheria, Corynebacterium diphtheriae and plague, Pastula pestris. These are the common human disease. So we are recognize this disease with the help of a trick T3, PCL, DPLP. Second one is the plant disease. Plant disease, there are so many plant diseases, but maximum diseases are caused by the Xanthomonas cetri. You can Xanthomonas. Xanthomonas is bacteria, Pseudomonas, Xanthomonas, these are two main bacteria that causes the plant disease generally. Clear? And there are a few diseases of the plants. First, the citrus canker disease, and it is caused by the Xanthomonas cetri. What is citrus canker? आप लोगों ने नींबू देखा है, इस मौसम में नींबू आ रहा है, नींबू के ऊपर कई बार देखा होगा आपने ब्राउन रंग के स्पॉट होते हैं. द ब्राउन स्पॉट आर प्रेजेंट द लेमन फ्रूट होते हैं ना, वो ब्राउन जो स्पॉट होते हैं वो स्पॉट इसके जैसे होते हैं. डिजीज़ Xanthomonas cetri. ठीक है, वो हम काट के खा लेते हैं क्योंकि अंदर जो सैप होता है, रस होता है नींबू का, वो नुकसानदायक नहीं होता है, बाहर होता है, स्किन पे होता है. वो स्किन डिजीज़ होती है जैसे हमारे अंदर, वैसे इसमें आती है तो बाहर होती है. उसके कारण क्या होता है, धीरे धीरे गलना शुरू हो जाता है, वो करता है बैक्टीरिया. तो सिट्रस कैंकर इज द Xanthomonas cetri, द कैंकर डिजीज़. सेकंड, द एंगुलर लीफ राइस डिजीज़ होती है, इट इज द Xanthomonas oryzicola. नेम ऑफ द बैक्टीरिया Xanthomonas, species name is the oryzicola. Then the leaf blight of the rice, Xanthomonas oryzae. These are the three important disease for the medical exam. Ola's genus the Xanthomonas. Second, the crown gall disease, Agrobacterium. Agrobacterium is known as the natural genetic engineer and natural plant genetic engineer in biotechnology, but it is the as a work as a artificial vector. It works as a vector, natural vector for the gene transfer, but it causes a disease in the plant known as the Agrobacterium crown gall disease. It will cause the crown gall disease. कैंसर कैसा होता है ना, गांठ हो जाती है, ऐसे ये भी गांठ बना देता है, गोल बनाता है, क्राउन गोल डिजीज. बाय Agrobacterium tumefaciens एंड विल्ट ऑफ पोटैटो. आलू गलना शुरू जाते हैं, इस मौसम जो आलू आ रहे हैं आप देखा होगा, गलना शुरू जाते हैं, स्टोरेज के अंदर, कोल्ड स्टोरेज के. विल्ट ऑफ पोटैटो, विल्ट में गलना होता है. द Pseudomonas. तो दीज आर द प्लांट डिजीज caused by the bacteria. Clear? Mainly Xanthomonas or Pseudomonas. Then we discuss the next, the disease in the animals. Disease in the animals. There are so many diseases in animals, but there are two main diseases very important. Generally, the animals are caused by the viral disease, but few diseases and bacteria are present. These are two main diseases of the animals. First one is the anthrax. Anthrax is also known as the biological weapon because the anthrax spores are spread in the air and they are a disease. Anthrax, and due to the within the few time the host is die. So anthrax, Bacillus anthracis, it is also known as the biological weapon. And black lag disease is a sheep, भेड़म होती है, that is known as the Clostridium chavanus. Chavanus is the species. These are the disease that caused by the bacteria in a human being, in plants and animals. Clear? You note down.